In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Harmonize feature in Photoshop's contextual taskbar. Harmonize is an AI-powered tool that automatically matches the color, lighting, and tone of a subject layer to its background, making composites look natural and realistic. When Photoshop detects an object, this tool appears. For example, when I select the girl's layer, you can see the Harmonize tool. Please note, this tool is only available in Photoshop 2025 beta version. You can download this beta version on Creative Cloud in beta section. The beta version includes new tools and enhancements in AI, generative workflows, compositing, and resolution improvements that are still under development and being refined. Because it is a beta, some features may be experimental, have limitations, bugs, lower resolution, performance trade-offs, or even be flagged differently regarding commercial use. And when I click on this Harmonize, then it automatically matches the girl the color, lighting, tone, and shadows. It also provides 3 variations, and you can simply choose the one you like best. And that's how you use Harmonize in Photoshop's contextual taskbar. With just one click, Photoshop analyzes your subject and background, then adjusts tones, lighting, and colors so everything feels like one cohesive photo. It's fast, non-destructive, and an essential step in creating realistic composites.